Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like NFTs? Do you like tokens? Do you like the metaverse? Then you will like this project because it's interconnecting everything together. We will be talking about TiFi project. We will go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this is not financial advice. It's only for educational purposes. Everything is linked down below as usual, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the platform. Let's see what's going on here and talk about it more. TiFi, the integrated finance for Allverse. What's Allverse? We will come through that in the next few minutes. As you can see here, the layout is quite nice actually. Everything is organized as you might expect from such a promising project. Here on the far left, you will have all your socials, Twitter, Telegram, you have Discord, you have YouTube, you have Instagram, you have the lot. So you can feel free to check it out. So what's the Allverse? The Allverse, here you will have a quick introduction here, introductory video for you. You can watch it, but generally speaking, it just simplifies the way that it connects the metaverse and the universe, or the real entire planet, the real life, I would say. So it interconnects between the two with a very nice concept that some people would love to have something physical, but they can pre-order it or they can claim it once they have the NFT aspect of it, meaning that you can buy it electronically first before you can gain it physically, and then you can claim it once it's available. Let's say that there is a high demand on a certain product, let's say a car or so, or an electric car, and the demand is high and the inventory is not there yet. So you can claim that you have your priority in ordering this car by actually getting the NFT. So it's nice and interesting concept, connecting both worlds in a very simple and interactive way. So I would highly recommend you to check that one out because it might be a next revolution in the whole entire industry. So going down slightly here, you will find that they partnered up with big names in the market. Watch, they have even Coinsbit, you have Yahoo Finance, that's big names, Newswire, Certic. It's just insane how many big names, Obsidian, wow, it's just big names in the market they are partnering up with here. So let's go to tokenomics here. What's going on in terms of tokenomics? Well, first of all, you will have the transferring reward of 1%, meaning that you can get 1% when you transfer the TiFi token as a payment cryptocurrency. It can be also utilized in different aspects, but here you can have a transferring reward of 1%. You have the staking reserve rate of over 0.2% as well. A small portion of transaction volume will be withheld by TiFi Bank, which is for paying the staking rewards, or rewards are paid without minting new tokens in order to prevent inflation. So that's a very smart move as well. A reflection reward over 0.6%. That's a portion of transaction volume, of course. 1.2 for selling tokens and 0.6 for other coins or other cases. This will be distributed to every TiFi token holder, and you will get the reward by token shared into ratio amount all shareholders. So that's quite interesting concept as well. So they're kind of diversifying what's going on. Low gas fees and burning rate over 0.2%. A small portion of transaction volume, of course, 0.4% of selling tokens, and 0.2 for other cases will be burned to boost up the TiFi token value, to give it the initial pump or the initial boost as well. And then you have, of course, liquidity pool locked, meaning that you can lock out some liquidity to give it more values and to have your holder wallet secured, and everything can be gained or still being in gaining anything. You can continue reading here if you want to get in depth in this regard, but there are some other aspects we want to cover over here in this video. So first of all, they have the TiFi Bank, TiFi Bank here. That's a decentralized exchange platform, enables customer to exchange cryptocurrency smoothly and earn more rewards, meaning that they have their own decentralized finance, more or less. So that's kind of the CEO or the bank of the TiFi token or the TiFi token, however you want to pronounce it. The NFT voucher here as well, and then they have the TiFi token as well. You have the token itself. I mean, by holding it, you can earn a reward, and you can actually utilize it to buy and sell and get stakes and get shares of some certain things. And they're also developing their own app based on the TiFi token here, or the TiFi protocol. So this will be a whole ecosystem bridging the metaverse and the universe by providing real world products, shopping, and NFT exchange platforms. So that's a pretty ambitious plan over here. And when you look further into the shopping and trading platform, you will see that you can browse, you can see what's going on in the market, you can purchase, and you can hold, you can stake, you can exchange or trade, i.e. trade. You can trade goods and services with other people. That can range from luxury goods, cars, even real estate, or digital assets or digital platforms, or digital assets, I would say that's the best way to describe it. So you can claim ownership, you can exchange NFTs, you can exchange real physical goods as well, all in one place or all in one platform, and you can utilize the TiFi token for that. So that's a quite promising and quite ambitious plan for such a project over here. As you can see here, you can also redeem and deliver physical product in return for your NFT, and then it will be burned. The NFT will be burned, meaning that you can put yourself in a priority list just to claim your real physical good. Once you get it, then the NFT can be discarded completely or burnt, or you can just keep it as a souvenir, but it will be marked as just you have the physical one. So that's it. So it's a very nice and interesting concept. And as you can see here, they have the moon map or the road map. March 2022, they launched the TiFi website. That's completed, marketing completed, and released TiFi coin or token completed. Everything here is completed. Then from April to June, that's also all completed here. They're adhering to the time schedule here for every step they want to take. And as you can see, listing TiFi token on CEX and listing on CMC as well. Marketing completed and burning events also completed. July to September this year, they're completing here the first one, and everything else is still in progress. Of course, they're doing some marketing now and CEX listing. And then October to December, they will be planning the mobile app, as you can see, and lending and borrowing. Lending and borrowing, that's in progress, and this is also in plan. That's the mobile app in plan. If you want to go further, you will see that next year they're planning major events over here. Let me just adjust it here. January and March, they have the Allverse volume 1, that's shopping, and then the volume 2 will be NFT. This will be the first quarter of next year, and then the second quarter of next year will be Allverse volume 3, which includes trading as well, or exchanging, as I explained. So as you scroll down here, you will find their socials. As I told you, they have a lot of socials here. Let's go to Twitter. Twitter is quite interesting here for the cryptocurrency world, or for the metaverse, or for anything metaverse related or Web3 related. Twitter here can give you a glimpse of how big the community is. It's currently 23.5 thousand followers. Most of them are real followers. They're quite interactive. The community is growing like crazy. People are interacting like crazy. People are excited actually about the project. When you read the comments, when you get interactive with them, when you ask questions even, you can see that things are quite growing, and the community is getting even more bonded with each other because they all believe in such a great concept for a project. So I would highly recommend you to check it down below and get yourself more and more involved and informed. I mean, information is key nowadays. You get yourself informed, then you won't miss an opportunity. So I would highly recommend you to check out their Twitter, and if you have any questions, you can get in touch with the community as well. They're quite interactive and they will be happy to answer your inquiries. So that was a quick overview of what's going on here on this platform. It's very promising, and I would say keep an eye on that, because this will be a complete revolution in the metaverse and even the physical real world. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the TiFi interesting concept of connecting everything in the Allverse. As I told you, I would highly recommend you to check it out down below in the description. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, and also leave any comment you might have in the comment section below, and see you next one. Bye bye.